What up, YouTubers? Grim Reaper here. Formerly I was Striker 14, but Striker 14 will be when I do Nerf Wars. But when I do like wars like normal, I'll use Grim Reaper. But cause my friend doesn't know, but I'm using my new real name in the Call of Duty movie. Alright, final update for you guys. After this video, I'm gonna straight away start uploading. Not uploading, but the movie is still in progress for second part. So the 12-minute video has to be shrunk to at least 5 or 10, or as long as how I already did the the editing. So then I would have to do the other part, which is with my two other friends from KL. I did one with them. So it's about to be done, and I suck in the third part because my clothes are completely crazy. And I'm using too much of hand symbols. Wow! Michael Jackson! I'm just joking. Peace out.